What up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So, someone asked me, does all cars come with a spare tire? Some cars come with a spare tire, some cars come with run flats, and some cars come with a kit that fixes the tire. Some cars come with a kit that fixes the tire. You know, something like run flats. I would say about 50% of cars come with a spare tire. New modern cars, some still come with a spare tire, some come with a kit that comes in the back of the car and boom. I know like luxury cars come with them run flats. You have to go like a certain amount of distance and then, you know, you have to change the tire. So right then and there, your tire get punctured, you can still go, but you want to eventually have to get your tire fixed. I know you're probably saying, dang, what happened on the road if, you know, you catch a blowout or your tire just start going into pieces and you don't have a spare tire and you're looking like, what in the world? Yeah, but most manufacturers stop making spare tires. So new cars come with a compressor that seals the flat for a temporary fix. But then that's just a temporary fix. I'm gonna name a few automakers that still put spare tires in their cars. Like Ford, their F-150, Toyota RAV4, the Toyota Camry, the Nissan Sentra, and Hyundais. They still have spare tires in the back of their car. I'd say the top selling cars still come with a spare tire in the back of the vehicle. So why some manufacturers did away with spare tires? Because reducing weight and fuel efficiency for the vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you probably thinking like, God darn it, hold on. You know, the tire probably ain't weighing that much, but it's still weighing the car down a little bit. So that's why some manufacturers did away with the spare tire and the jack. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.